Planning a trip doesn't have to be stressful. With ChatGPT, you have an AI travel assistant at your fingertips. Let's explore how you can use it to create the perfect itinerary, simplify logistics, and discover hidden gems. Start with destination research. 1. Begin by asking ChatGPT for an overview of your destination. 1. Learn about must-see landmarks, local cuisine, and cultural highlights. 2. Example prompt. What are the top 10 attractions in Paris for a first-time visitor? 3. Advanced tip. Ask for neighborhood-specific recommendations such as, what are the best places to visit in Montmartre? 4. Use ChatGPT to get historical insights or fun facts about landmarks to enhance your experience. Create a personalized itinerary. 1. Tailor your trip by sharing your preferences with ChatGPT. 1. Include travel dates, group size, interests, and pace of travel. 2. Example prompt. Plan a 7-day relaxing itinerary for Bali, including beaches, cultural sites, and yoga retreats. 3. ChatGPT can suggest activities for different times of day, ensuring a balanced mix of sightseeing and downtime. Find hidden gems and local experiences. 1. Go beyond tourist spots by asking ChatGPT for unique, off-the-beaten-path recommendations. 2. Example prompt. What are some hidden gems in Kyoto for nature lovers? 3. Ask about local festivals, markets, or events happening during your visit to immerse yourself in the culture. Budget-friendly planning. 1. Use ChatGPT to estimate travel costs, including accommodations, dining, transportation, and activities. 2. Example prompt. What's the average daily budget for a backpacking trip in Thailand? 3. ChatGPT can suggest affordable alternatives for pricey attractions, like free walking tours or local dining spots. Packing like a pro. 1. Save time by asking ChatGPT for a detailed packing list tailored to your destination, season, and planned activities. 2. Example prompt. What should I pack for a 10-day hiking trip in Patagonia? 3. Get advice on travel essentials like adapters, clothing layers, and weather-specific gear. Handle travel logistics with ease. 1. Simplify transportation planning by asking ChatGPT for the best ways to get around your destination. 2. Example prompt. How do I travel from Rome to Florence? Should I take a train or rent a car? 3. Use ChatGPT to compare flight options, rental car prices, and public transport tips for maximum convenience. Navigate language barriers. 1. Use ChatGPT to learn key phrases in the local language to communicate better. 2. Example prompt. Teach me basic French phrases for ordering food at a restaurant. 3. ChatGPT can also provide cultural etiquette tips to help you navigate interactions respectfully. Stay flexible and prepared during your trip. 1. Use ChatGPT on the go to get updates, find alternate plans, or adapt to unexpected changes. 2. Example prompt. It's raining in Amsterdam today. What are some great indoor activities to do instead of biking? 3. Plan downtime into your schedule for rest or spontaneous exploration. Bonus tips for using ChatGPT effectively. 1. Be specific with your prompts to get tailored advice. 2. Ask follow-up questions to refine recommendations or dive deeper into details. 3. Combine ChatGPT's suggestions with your own research for a well-rounded plan. Actionable takeaways. 1. Use ChatGPT for personalized itineraries, destination research, and packing lists. 2. Leverage its tips for budgeting, logistics, and cultural insights to make your trip seamless. 3. Stay adaptable by using ChatGPT on the go for real-time updates and alternative plans. Planning your trip with ChatGPT makes the process smarter, faster, and more enjoyable. Whether you're exploring a new city or embarking on an adventure abroad, this AI tool is your ultimate travel companion. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips on using AI to enhance your life. See you next time.